Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Mikey Likes It or No Day. On the menu tonight, we got some mac and cheese, courtesy of my friends from Kwik Trip. Make the best mac and cheese, along with chocolate syrup. Actually, my mom gave me this idea. They visited over the weekend for Lakey's dance recital, which Lakey absolutely nailed. It was so much fun going to the Grand Theater for the dance recital. So proud of her. But yes, this is what we got. Woo! What do you think? Does that look pretty good? Mitchell, what's up, buddy? Am I making you hungry? You know, this definitely has potential to be good. So we'll see. I'm excited to try it. A lot of times when I do Mikey Likes or No, I'm kind of like scared and like, oh my God, I can't believe I'm trying this. But this is a little different, you know. So what's going on tonight, guys? Stephanie, what's up? What's up? Nice to see you on here for Mikey Likes It or No. I don't know if you're playing Code for Cash. We have given away a ton of money, and tomorrow morning it's up to $190. So all you gotta do is get the code, crack it. Tomorrow morning, 7:20, with Dave and Carly. Gonna give you that chance. Yeah. So you guys liking this blah weather? I'm still wearing shorts because it's always hotter than you know what in the studio. Like, I literally have the window open right now and I'm wearing shorts. No joke. I don't know why it's so hot in the studio. Man. But yeah. Has anybody on here, have you tried mac and cheese and chocolate syrup? Devin, what's up, buddy? How's it going, man? Can the Cubs, take it down a couple notches? Seriously. Every time I look, it's like, oh, another walk-off, a walk-off. Like, Jesus, dude, chill. Season's early. You're peaking too soon, my man. I don't know what you guys, 24-12, I think. I think I saw that. Is that true? Is that your guys' record? Hey, I'm excited for finally us to play. I think it's May 19th is the first series. So, yeah, I'm sure it's been a blast. Yeah. So what else going on, guys? Anything new? Anything exciting? I don't know, man. Peaking too soon. Hey, Brewers beat the Cardinals today. Huh? I think the Brewers are 19-16. So we're 4.5 games behind you. Not too bad. Christina, what's up? Just think, when the Brewers sweep the Cubs in May, or later on this month, we'll be right there. It'll be fun. Oh, I know, man. Like, everyone's over 500. It's crazy. What's up, Desiree? Nice to see you on here for Mikey Likes It. We're going to go in about a few minutes. So come on in. Here, for the people that are just coming in, this is what we got. Liz, does that look good? Uh-oh, my mom texted me, are you on tonight? Yes, Mom, we're on. Come on in. Do you get notifications or something? I don't know. I really don't know how that works. I just hit the live button and then hopefully you guys join me. I'm not really sure exactly how it works. Just remember, 6:30, Wednesday, Mikey's on. But I always love your ideas. Make them crazy. I'll try just about anything once. I think, what was it? I got a message earlier this morning, and I think I just put yuck. No, I put LOL yikes. Someone wanted me to try tuna fish and grape jelly. I can't stand tuna fish. Like, to me, I think that's the worst kind of fish. I don't know what it is about it. Like, I love fish. Don't get me wrong. I'm a fish fan for sure. But tuna, I can't do it. It's just got a nasty taste. That's my opinion anyways. We're going to go in 3 minutes. So come on in. Got the Chestnut Hill Chocolate Syrup. Yeah, dude, no kidding. I mean, it'd be fun to try. I like grape jelly. Maybe the grape jelly, like, hides the awfulness of the tuna. Well, maybe I do got to try it out. Everyone's saying how horrible that sounds. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it. Hey, yep, Mom, I'm live. I'm doing your idea, by the way. This better be good. Happy early Mother's Day. I don't know. You might have got a present today. Maybe, I hope. It was supposed to come. Hey. All right, we're going in about 2 minutes. Come on in. I haven't heard this song in a long time. I like it. Mike Posner. We're also doing coffee on Callaway, where Dave and Carly. Woo! Cool. Dave and Carly will go to your workplace, deliver coffee and bagels. How sweet is that? Sign up, wildest.com. Hey, Christina. What's nice to see you on here. All right. If you haven't got a look at it, here we go. What do you think? Is this going to be good? You know what was good? Was my chicken salad and broccoli cheddar soup from Kwik Trip. Delish. Mitchell, ready for summer. Heck yeah, buddy. You know, it's funny. I mowed the lawn earlier in the week, and now it's not feeling like lawn weather, that's for sure. Woo! Bring on the Yankees. You bet. Mike, our news guy, is all excited because Miz is now pitching Friday, which he's going to that game, so he gets to see the Miz against the Yankees. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Hey, Marcia. What's up? All right. Here we go. I think I'm going to be putting 2 thumbs up. We'll see. I hope. Tuna fish and grape jelly? Whew, I'll think about it. I don't know. All right, keep that Wednesday tradition going where I eat a weird food combination. We do this every Wednesday, put it up on Facebook Live as well. So I got mac and cheese. I've got chocolate syrup. I don't know. I'm still debating on this for next week. One of my friends messaged me this morning saying that I should try tuna fish and grape jelly. Whew! I'm already getting a lot of people saying, ew, nasty. So I don't know. We'll think about it. But tonight, this could be good, right? Mac and cheese, chocolate syrup, something I never really thought I would have. Let's go. Wow. Okay. Surprisingly, the chocolate mixes extremely well with the cheese. That was really good. Highly recommend. 2 thumbs up. Woo! Like I predicted. Here's Taylor Swift. We did a IFC. One more. Here we go. That was good. You guys gotta try this. For real. I wouldn't BS you. All right, guys. Have a great night. Thank you, as always, for being on here. Next week, Should I try it? Should I do tuna fish and grape jelly? We'll see. I'll think about it. All right. Later, guys.